Hello there YouTube, George here, how are you doing? And we're back to you again here, another one of the radios done for Billy. We have a Superstar 3900, one of the later ones. This came here for just like a basic service. This one, I think it had the black face in it already. I think this is one of the very later Superstar 3900s, and we just gave it a good service inside, full alignment, case screws, secret sauce, cleaned the chrome, redone the orange on the lines, etc, etc, and came out very well. So we have it here. We'll go to AM. Let me see. So we're looking at a 5-watt dead key. 1, 2. And now we'll go to upper sideband. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello radio. 1, 2, 3, 4. 20 watts there, easy. And see it there on the scope. That's your it's picking up the sample there from the radio, and we're seeing the modulation there from single sideband. And yeah, she looks good. So 1, 2, 3, 4 audio. 1, 2, 3, 4 hello radio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is this the beep? Yep, it's got the beep. Turn that off. 10 kilohertz switch. So we'll go to lower sideband. Lower sideband there now. And 20 watts again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello radio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Test audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we go FM. Turn that racket down. It's 5 watts is what it's putting out on FM, which is kind of what they're supposed to do. You don't want it boiling up the regulator in it. So what else do we do? Oh yeah, we put in a blue display and the blue LED in the meter. So this is the way you wanted this one. It was a basic enough job for this, and came out quite well. She's tidy. Chrome is reasonably good. And another one heading off to Billy's collection. He's got quite a few radios now that I've done from, but you know, these 3900s, they're a very good entry level radio for somebody starting out and they want something with sideband and whatnot on it. One of these, particularly the models before this, I've done quite a few of them, and when I customized them I call them a Superstar 3900 Special. But once they're set up and aligned properly, and you take a bit of time, care and attention in setting them up, they're actually quite a good little radio for what they are. You know, like they're a copy, a poor copy of the PB010 Mark II 148 GTLDX, and you know, they're built to a budget and built to make a few bob on them by the people that manufacture them. So you know, yeah, there's radios out there that are better and better components, and you know, the 148s, like if you had a Mark II 148, of course it's going to be a far better radio. But you know, these, for what they are, they're ideal for people starting off, or people coming back to the hobby after a long period of time. You know, you get yourself set up with one of these and a decent antenna for not a whole lot of money, and you know, have a bit of fun with it. So yeah, it came out quite well. Quite pleased with it, and I hope Billy is too. So quick and dirty video for this one, because it didn't do a whole lot of modification work to it. It was just more of a general maintenance service, clean and tidy up. So there you go. So we'll get you in the next one. All the best. Bye.